Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make an AI assistant like Google Assistant, Cortana, Siri and more on Scratch. So in this video you will be learning how to use the extensions called text-to-speech and translate. And you'll be also learning how to use the loop function and the operator called contains. So okay, this is the preview of our AI assistant. So I'll type hi.
Hello.
So you can see it replies. So I'll ask, who are you?
I am Sarah, Scratch AI Assistant.
So I'll ask, what is your name?
My name is Sarah.
So you could give it any name. And now I will ask, what can you do?
Things I can do.
So you could take the current time and the date and play a song, tell a joke, tell a riddle, and also tell a scary story. So first I'll ask the current date.
May 25th, 2021.
Yes, it's May 25th, 2021. And what is the time?
14:29.
Yep, it's 14:29. And then I will say sing a song. So I have muted the song so you could hear it. So to make it stop, just type stop. And then I will say tell a joke.
I picked this one for you.
And it won't tell the same joke, so I'll type
I
again.
picked this one for you.
You could see it will pick randomly a joke. Now type tell a riddle.
I picked this one for you.
And tell a scary story.
I picked this one for you.
And it could also reply. So type thanks.
Welcome.
And it could speak different languages. So type speak French.
Bonjour.
And then type speak Italian.
Ciao.
And if it's out of the box, you could reply.
Sorry, I'm not able to help with this one.
It would say, sorry, I'm not able to help with this one. So this is really beginner friendly, so let's start coding. So for this, we just need one sprite, and I have a backdrop with black. And I have the mic costume and the things I can do. So when I ask what can you do, it will switch to this costume. And there are costumes from J1 to J6 and name it to J1 to J6. So these are the joke costumes, so it will pick randomly from one of these when I ask to say a joke. And I have costume name R1 to R3, so these are the riddle costumes. And S1 to S3, these are the scary story costumes, so I copied this from Cortana. So it will pick randomly from one of these. And I have also uploaded sound to play a music. So you could upload any of your favorite music. Oh, so okay, switch costume to mic. So you can see my mic is a little bit larger, so I set my size to 50. And now you click on this add an extension button, and we will need this extension called text to speech to make our AI assistant talk. So if you're on the online editor, there's no problem, but if you're on the offline editor, make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned on to see the results. So you just click on this and click on an extension and choose this extension called translate to make our AI assistant speak different languages. And now go for events. When green flag clicked, we need to go for text to speech, and we need to set our voice to alto. So alto has like a woman-like voice, so I'll show you.
Hello.
And if you switch to tenor, it would have a male voice.
Hello.
So I'll choose alto, then remove the speak block, and then we need to switch costume to mic, which is this. And on top of that, we need to set size to 50. And then we need to show. And on top of the green flag, let's grab a height block. And then go for control, grab a forever loop, and then go for sensing, and you'll see this asks what is your name, and wait. And then change this to type anything here. And now you can see it would keep asking to type anything here. Then go for control, grab an if else statement, and go for operators, grab 3 O's, O2 will be enough. And then you'll see this block called apple contains 8. So then drag and drop this and go for sensing, and if our answer contains hi, and then it will say grab a speak hello, and duplicate this, and if our answer contains hey, or if our answer contains hello, then it will speak hello. So what does this do is, if our answer contains hi, hey, or hello, then it will speak hello. So sometimes when you just type a word called like Chinese,
Hello.
it will speak hello, because from Chinese there's an HI. So to fix this bug, you could remove this contains block and grab a equals, and then place it here, and if answer equals hi, then our assistant would say hello. So now let's test it, and I will say hi,
Hello.
it will speak hello. If I type hey,
Hello.
oh hello.
Hello.
So this works. And then go for looks, and we need to grab a say hello for 2 seconds, so it would display after it speaks.
Hello.
Now what you need to do is duplicate this block and place it in the else, and then we need to remove this equals and grab a contain. So if our answer contains what is the time, so this is with the question mark. Oh, if our answer contains time, if our answer contains what time, so we say tell the time. And then in the speak block, grab this join apple and banana. So grab this and grab another join and place it on the banana. So we need a join. You see this block called current year. Drag and drop and place it on the apple and make this to other. And then we need to join with our current other and 2 dots, and then current minute. So you could also add a second by just duplicating this block. And then put in the current minute here, grab another join block and 2 dots, and then set it to second. So I don't need the second, so I'll just use the hour and the minute. So when you speak, join current hour, 2 dots and current minute, and then duplicate this, and then paste this on the hello. And now let's test it. So now we should type tell the time.
14:43.
Now you can see it would tell the current time. Now let's work on the current date. So for that, duplicate this and place it on the else and change this time to date. What is the date? Date, or tell the date. And then we need to join current, change to date, and grab another join block and type a slash and current month. Grab another join slash current year, and then remove this block and duplicate this block and place it on the hello. And now when you run your project, if you type what is the date,
May 25th, 2021.
it will say the date. And then you could grab another if-else statement. So now let's grab another if-else statement and duplicate this and place it here. So if answer contains who are you, or who and like what are you. So you could add more, and then we need to speak, so you could give it a name. So for now I'll say I am Scratch AI assistant, and then grab a say, Control C, then Control V. And when you ask who are you, it will say I'm Scratch AI assistant. And now we'll ask how are you, and answer contains how. Let's say what's up. Then we'll say great, thanks. So you could add an emoji, but and then Control C and Control V to copy and paste the blocks. And now let's work on the things you can do. So we need to switch costume to this and then switch costume back to Mike. So for that, duplicate, and if answer contains what can you do, or you do, or things. So what are the things you can do? And then we need to remove this say block, and we say we need to set size to 100, and then we need to clear all graphic effects, and then switch costume to things I can do. And then we need to speak things I can do. And then we need to wait 5 seconds. And then we need to set our size back to 50 because our mic will be too big. And then we need to switch costume to Mike. And now we should type what can you do?
Things I can do.
So now you can see we show the things she can do.
Things I can do.
And then we could duplicate this, and now let's work on the riddles. So if answer contains riddle, tell a riddle, or tell a riddle, then we need to set size to 100, clear all graphic effects, then switch costume to, we need to pick random from, so my riddle costume begins from 9 to 11. So for that, we need to pick random from 9 to 11 and speak I picked this one for you. Let's wait like 2 seconds or 3 seconds, and now you run the project. Say tell a riddle, Now you can see we change this to like 3 seconds and run the project again. Tell a riddle. You can see our riddle works. So duplicate this and place it on the else, and once again tell a joke or tell a joke or tell joke. So my joke costumes begin from number 3 to number 8. So we need to pick random from 3 to 8. And now we say tell a joke. Now we see our joke also works. So assistant could say a joke. And now it's working on playing a song. So grab an if statement, and if answer contains song, sing a song or play a song. So we need to remove all of these, and we need to play sound. So I uploaded the sound, and it will play the sound. So we need to stop all sounds first and duplicate this. If answer contains stop, or we could just delete this whole thing. Grab a O equals or contains. So if answer is equal or contains stop, then we need to stop all sounds. And then duplicate this and remove this thing, place it over here, and if answer contains scary, or answer contains story, or tell scary story, then we need to pick random from, so my scary stories are from S1 to S3, which are from 12 to 14. We need to pick random from 12 to 14. And finally, grab another if else statement and grab a contains. So if our answer contains by, then we need to speak by, say by, for 2 seconds, and we need to stop all. And else we need to speak. So if our answer does not matter to any of these, it would say sorry, I'm not able to help with this one. And then go for loops and grab a thing for 2 seconds and Control C and Control V. So you could also use the translate extension to make your assistant talk in many languages. So I'll remove these blocks and grab the if else statement. So grab a O and grab contains, then place it here. So if our answer contains, we say speak French, and if answer contains French, or if our answer contains France, always say speak another language. Then you could use this text to speech. We need to speak translate hello to French. So you could make your AI assistant speak on many different languages. There are so many options you could use. So and now when you run your project, you say speak French.
Bonjour.
So it would say hello on French. So it's really cool. You can make multiple languages like Chinese, Italian, Russian, so any languages you want. So now let's test our project. So let's say hi.
Hello.
We'll say hello. And now let's ask the current time and the date.
15 to 3.
Yep, it's 3-3. Say the date.
May 25th, 2021.
And your assistant could also tell a joke, riddle, or a scary story. So I'll say tell a joke.
I picked this one for you.
Tell a riddle.
I picked this one for you.
Or tell a scary story.
I picked this one for you.
And even you could play a song. And you could speak in different languages. You could speak French.
Bonjour.
And if you type bye, it would
Bye.
say bye and end the project. So our AI assistant works. So this was a really beginner friendly tutorial. So if you like this video or if you find this video useful, make sure to give it a like. And if you want to get updates from our channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And if you find this video useful, make sure to share it with your friends. So see you with another awesome video like this.